Hello, friends. A warm welcome to the YouTube channel of TrackerBin. Today, we are diving into an essential tool for smart asset management, our asset purchase planner. Whether you are eyeing a new laptop, a fancy sound system, or even something as substantial as a home, the first step is always financial planning. And that's where our asset purchase planner swaps into save the day. With this handy template, you can track your saving progress, monitor what's left to achieve your goal, and even calculate how much you need to stash away each time. Let's kick things off by filling in some key details on our master sheet. We will need the name of the asset, laptop, and a home, then your preferred saving mode. For laptop, FD. For home, a specialized saving. Then total investment, 25,000 and 25 lakhs. The time frame for your saving, let it be 3 months for your laptop and 3 years for your home. Then the start date from which you would start saving your amount, let this be 16th April 2024 in both the cases. The end date would be auto populated. Last, how often you will put the money aside. Let it be weekly in case of laptop and monthly in the case of the home. With this input, contribution per period is already calculated. Once you have got your master data sorted, it's smooth sailing. Whenever you make a deposit or squirrel away some cash, simply log it into the transaction sheet. Input the date, maybe 17th April 2024. Select the mode from the drop down menu, let it be FD, which you know is for your laptop purpose, amount 2500. Then again on 17th April 2024, specialized saving meant for the home, say 1 lakh rupees. Remember, friends, keep those saving modes distinct to make navigating the drop down menu a breeze. The moment you put your data into this transaction sheet, your dashboard magically updates with every entry, giving you a clear snapshot of your progress. The charts on the top of the sheet are also auto updated. So, there you have it, a streamlined way to manage your financial goals. And hey, if you found this template helpful, be sure to check out our shop on Etsy for more finance and budgeting Google Sheet templates. All these instructions are there on the instruction sheet. Still, if you have any doubt or any query, or if you want any customization in this template, feel free to write us at preeti@trackerbin.com, or you can even leave a comment on our Etsy shop. Link of Etsy shop is on this video itself and in our bio also. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the loop for our next video. Until then, happy financing and happy